Good morning.
Morning.
Big train journey today. First class this time though. So this is the Qufu International Youth Hostel. Highly recommend it. It's been a great little stay, lovely staff. So there is our taxi. So we're leaving the centre of Qufu and it's 39 degrees. Taxi driver was just showing me on the outside temperature, 39 degrees. Feels like 41 today apparently. Super hot day. So the driver just took a little video of Michelle and I, just randomly, which was fun. We find China one of the friendliest countries in the world, don't we, Michelle?
Yeah, it's really good.
Really, people are ever so friendly and accepting. I don't know if you haven't been here and you've travelled as much as Michelle and I have. Some countries are more welcoming than others. And I put China in one of the, probably in the top 10. The top 10. I'm just saying, Michelle, in the top 10. It's in the top 3 or 4, isn't it, really? Just
they always greet us with a smile and they're very helpful.
Feeling welcome in any small town. Love filming, love the fact that we've got the camera all the time, never get any grief from anybody.
澳大利亚，是吧？
And he's sending videos to his friend, and they've asked who are they, where they're from. Now he's just sent a message saying, they're from Australia. Yeah, it's cool. So he just randomly took a video with us, didn't ask, which we don't mind, and it's just the way people are. It's an accepting, welcoming, old-fashioned feeling that you get here in China. I highly recommend it.
他们来自澳大利亚。
I was just saying to Michelle that I feel sometimes like you're robbed of a city with these touristic centres. Whilst Qufu is beautiful, the centre, as we've driven out towards the South Railway Station, I'm seeing lots of residential areas. And this guy here, look.
It's got like a tree on it.
Yeah, there's so much going on in Qufu. Outside of that, we've been, by choice in the old heart of the Confucius residential area. But Qufu itself is huge, and if you have transportation, come here. I wish visas were easy. I wish we could spend 3 months here easily, but and have a car, have a vehicle. It's probably the same with all the cities. The best thing would be if we start opening up visas so people can come to China for, 180 days at a time, and then you can get a vehicle and really explore China. That would be the perfect solution, in my opinion. Come on, governments, make it easier to have longer explorations in people's countries. You're not asking for the benefits that come with the countries, I'm not saying that, but to be able to come here and have an extended period of time would be just beautiful. Look, we're 40 degrees in temperature. On my app this morning it was saying it feels like 41, but now it's actually 40, so it probably feels like 42. What is that in Fahrenheit? Scorching. I think it's about 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And these poor lads are sat in the back. 40 degrees. 40 degrees. They're going to be scorching. Okay, we're leaving the boys in the sun. We're turning towards the station. Little U-turn. Oh no, up this leafy little suburb. So this is Qufu South Station. It's a different station than we arrived at Qufu.
Qufu East.
We arrived at Qufu East, did we, Michelle?
Did.
Peep of the horn to let them know we're coming through. This station feels a lot more remote, Michelle.
Yeah, it does. Okay, we're just about to go under the railway.
There it is over there.
There it is, I think.
Ah, so there's the Qufu South Station. It looks very isolated, doesn't it, Michelle?
It does. Still looks big.
Ah, is this an outdoor station, Michelle?
这里是南站，还有东西
Huh?
啊？
It's over
不是
there.
你没事？
Okay, we're getting a bit perplexed because the Qufu station looks almost abandoned. Is that it there, Michelle?
就是这里了
It。says entrance.
Ah. Entrance.
就这里啊，
I think so, yeah.
这里。
Wow, this is like an abandoned railway station. Thank you, man. Wow, it's hot.
Oh.
Can I hold this for me, man?
好嘞，这重要。
Thank you. Getting me worried there. Getting me worried.
这是高科技啊！
Oh, thank you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. So it says entrance here, Michelle. No one else is here.
No, but there are some things on the board.
There is life inside. Ni hao. Hello. Hello. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
水里喝一下，这个水，杯子的水
Sweet.
喝一下。
What?
Drink, water?
Water.
Water? This one?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
哦，得喝一下。
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
哎，对，好好好。
Ah, okay, okay.
Because yours you can see through.
Ah, okay. Hello. Okay. Well, this place is so quiet. But it's nice, super modern, right?
Yeah.
Michelle, they asked you to drink the water just to make sure it was water.
I can do that. So that's ours, the 1252.
Okay. Okay, today we're traveling, by the way, first class. So it's going to be an experience, huh? When we came to Qufu, we were just on second class, which is still outstanding. But today we thought we'd treat ourselves to a first class. Not the business class. There is a class above this, business class. But we quite like the look of first class.
So when you buy your tickets, we bought our tickets online and you get a sort of a confirmation of it, but you don't actually get a printout ticket of it or a QR code. It's all connected to your passport, or with the Chinese, it'll be their ID card. And we have to go through like the manual channel and they just scan our passports.
Yeah, so you'll just scan at this gate over here and it automatically has you linked. I know that it's all Big Brother, but it works. It's super efficient.
From what I read, I think this used to be the original station.
Right.
And then they've built the other station to deal with all the more bullet trains, although some bullet trains go from here, obviously. So.
And yet this looks like quite a new building.
It doesn't look old, does it?
No, this looks like it's been recently built. Now that service centre over there looks like it barely ever has any customers. Just queuing at the moment.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Follow the crowd, Michelle. See, it's China. Everything works. Escalators work. Very efficient.
Which way is it going to go?
Now we're in carriage number 1. So we've got to work out where that is, Michelle.
Yeah, I'll ask her.
This is
First class?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh yes, it's on the floor there. Look.
Ah, here it says. Thank you. Here comes our train. Just off in the distance, I can see a bright white light.
It's a bullet train, so we'll be here in a flash.
It's slowing down bullet train.
Of course.
So we're on platform 1.
Carriage 1,
First class.
seat 5.
Here she comes. Oh, it's exciting. Here she comes. 40 degrees today, the temperature. The heat shimmering off the platform. Here it is. There it is, a beautiful bullet train. Hello. Today. Yeah. Now, interestingly, I'd say this has got a lot more children and a lot more food, so the place stinks of food. I think she's photographing us. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. So they've bought us a little gift box and a bottle of water, which we didn't get on second class, no? So we've got some wasabi peas, some milk sweets, some little gummy, they're soft, chewy sweets. And it looks like a little pie.
Cookies.
Oh, it's cookies. Oh, cookies. I didn't... We're in a tunnel. And you can order, there's a code, on the arm of the chair there's a code. And you can actually scan and order food to be delivered to your chair, which we did last time. And everybody here is eating. I might give it a try, but last time it didn't work because I don't have you had to register with a Chinese phone number. And although I have Alipay and I have WePay, I don't have a number to receive the text. Michelle forgot to hit the record button. I've opened everything. These turned out not to be. They turned out not to be. I was saying that they're like going to be little milk because they're cow, but they're like a little oxo cube, like a little beef jerky. And I've eaten most of them now, but they're really delicious. You're going to enjoy those, Michelle. They're like
a beef jerky, but a bit more dry.
sweet beef jerky. The wasabi cookies.
Wasabi
probably
peas.
Not wasabi. They're probably just dried peas.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll open them. I'll open everything. Why not? Yeah, not wasabi.
Oh, cool.
Very tasty. Cookies I opened. They turned out.
列车很快就要到达蒙山车站了。The train will arrive at Mengshan Railway Station.
Okay, we're already at a station.
Okay.
So they were little cookies, just little sweet.
I thought they looked like the coconut rings that you get, but
No, but they're just a sugar cookie.
Yeah.
Very tasty. And then, last but not least, and luckily I've got one. They're two in a packet.
or you'd have to have mine.
I wasn't sure if you can read. I think it's that way up. So these are a little gummy sweet. They're wrapped in a little rice paper, which you eat, of course, and they're really delicious. I like those sweet, fruity flavoured, not too sweet.
Can you distinguish the fruit?
It tastes a bit like a peach or something.
Okay. Okay.
But it's quite artificial, but very tasty.
Very nice.
I buy those on a regular basis.
Cool.
You can press stop now, Michelle. Big group getting on at this station. What's it called, Michelle? Zhaoxi. So we've arrived. So I would say first class was all right, but I think second class was just as good. So there we have it. The train from Qufu. Hello. So that was a really comfortable, easy journey. Exits. Thank you. Bye-bye. So I think we're going to close here, Michelle.
We are.
Because if you want to know where we're going to, well, that's going to be in the next video. Bit of a surprise. Yeah, that was fun.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.